This is the final thing that we left for the chapter number 3. So this is about empirical relationship, empirical relationship among mean, median, and mode. Okay, so we have to cover this topic. I'll increase the font size. So this is the empirical relationship between mean, median, and mode. So actually it is exactly like this: mean minus mode, that is equal to 3 into mean minus median. Okay, so this is one empirical relationship. I'll move it to the center. This is the topic. So now this mean minus median, this is the empirical relationship between among a mean, median, and mode. The purpose of empirical relationship is that somehow if you know any of the two, like if you know mean and mode, so you can find the third one. Okay, so if I ask you all three you have to find, so there is no need to find all three. You can just choose any two, find the values using the complete method, and then you can put for the third one the value you can put in this particular formula and you will get the answer. So this is one part. The other thing is that we can further simplify it. This is mean minus mode equal to 3 into mean minus 3 into median. Now see, I can also write the same thing. Check this one. I can just remove this minus. I can move it to the left side, so this will become minus 3 mean and this will become plus 3 median. Furthermore, it will become equal to 0 if I just move it to the left hand side. The furthermore, I'll get this minus mean minus mode, and this one will remain minus 2 median, minus 2 mean. Okay, because from 3 mean minus 3 mean 1 mean subtracted, so we are left with this. Okay, that is equal to 0. Furthermore, I can move this mod to the left hand side, to the right hand side in this case, so it will become mod plus, and here it will be removed. Furthermore, this is gonna plus 3 median. Okay, now look here, we have plus 3 median. Now furthermore, finally I can write it in this fashion: Control C and Control V. Now this mod is equal to what? 3 median minus 2 mean. Furthermore, I can write it like this. Control C. This is the final thing. I can just move this to the right hand side. So this is the final version. So this last one, this one is known as the empirical relationship among mean, median, and mode. I'll solve two questions, one for ungrouped data and the other for grouped data, or you may have the grouped and ungrouped data. Just find any two, and the third one you can find by using this relationship. Okay, so now this is one particular example. The median and mode for the given data set of mine is this given. Find out the mean. Okay, so in this case median is given, which is 20, mode is 30, We'll use the same relationship. See, this is the relationship. Mod is equal to 3 into median minus mean. Just put mod value 30, 3 into 20, minus 2 into mean. Now, we got 30 equal to 60 minus 2 into mean. This 30 minus 60 is 30. And furthermore, we have divided by 2, so the mean is 15. So this is how you can find the third one. What I'll do, I'll give you two questions where these values are not found. So first you have to find the values of any two, and then you can find the third value using this empirical relationship. I suggest that in ungrouped data, mod is easily calculated. Similarly, mean you can also locate just by arranging the data and finding the central value. So if you are given such situations, you should always go for mod and median value. This mean value you should also find using this empirical relationship. Similarly, in group data, if we have group data, so one table will be enough because if you see, so only CB and CF is required for median and mod. So if you find median and mod in group data, and the mean will be calculated using this. I'll give you those two questions. Okay, so you have to solve that. Now check this one. So based on this, I have given you two questions. The first one is finding the mean, median, and mode using the empirical relationship. Here you have to find any two, and the third one you can put it in this empirical relationship and find its value. Okay, but I'll suggest that you should always go for median and mode in ungrouped data because it's easy, quite easy to find out. Similarly, in group data, you are free to use any two, okay, but the third one you can use by empirical relationship. But again, I suggest that median and mode will be easy to calculate, and mean you should go for empirical relationship. Let me check if we have mode here. 237, 42, 72. 230, 247, 238, 240. Let me. This should be 237, so you'll find it easy, quite easy now. Okay, so this is the homework for 10th of March class. So I'll give you 1 day for this. Okay, and if you send me the solution of these two questions based on this, so I'll mark your attendance accordingly. That's it. That's the end of chapter number 3. We'll start this chapter number 4. Okay, there are only 2 topics. In fact, 3 topics, and that's it. Till here, it will come in your final exam. Okay, good luck.